Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for all things tech. I'm your host, and today, we've got a treat for those seeking a colorful and efficient solution for their workspace. The MOFII wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Let's kick things off by introducing the MOFII wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Not only does it add a splash of personality with its milk tea colorful design, but it's also here to boost your work efficiency. This combo is designed to work seamlessly with your PC, desktop computer, or laptop, making it a versatile addition to your workspace. Worried about connectivity issues? Don't be. The MOFII combo offers a reliable 2.4G wireless connection, providing anti-interference stability and allowing you to enjoy wireless freedom. It's a breeze to set up, just plug and play. Plus, you can enjoy a stable wireless connection up to 10 meters away with virtually no delays or dropouts. Comfort is key when you're spending long hours at your workstation. That's where the ergonomic design of this wireless keyboard comes into play. It features a folding holder and anti-slide pads to maintain an optimal typing angle and prevent wrist strain. And don't forget about the wireless mouse. Its contoured shape is designed for extended use, ensuring hours of comfortable work. Let's talk about battery life. The MOFII combo is powered by a 1-hour battery for both the keyboard and the mouse. But what's really impressive is the auto sleep feature. When not in use for 8 to 10 minutes, both the keyboard and mouse enter auto sleep mode. This not only saves battery life but also reduces the hassle of frequent battery replacements. You can expect up to 18 months of keyboard use and 18 months of mouse use, though battery life may vary. Beyond functionality, the MOFII combo adds a pop of color to your workspace. It's perfect for office or home workers who appreciate a touch of style in their setup. And if you're thinking about gifting, it's an excellent choice for your friend's birthday, Christmas, or New Year's gift list. Choose MOFII, and you'll enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month worry-free warranty. In conclusion, the MOFII wireless keyboard and mouse combo is not only a visual delight with its milk tea colorful design but also a practical addition to your workspace. Its reliable wireless connection, ergonomic design, and battery-saving features make it a valuable tool for productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech insights and product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, tech enthusiasts. We'll catch you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.